Greetings, welcome to another day of Autoforge development. We have been working on the mechanical system and actually have the vast majority of it done now. So I was going to show you that and maybe take a peek at the code that's kind of controlling all that. So let's jump right in. We have here our mechanical system. If I press M, it opens up the mechanical mode. And then we can see if I hover over one of these little circles, these are what I'm calling the mechanical indicators. It will show the nodes for that. And the reason for having it so that they're not shown is that while these devices only have one node each, there are some devices that will have multiple nodes, and sometimes they will have like 5 or 6 nodes. And so it can get kind of crazy, at least like in Korea, which uses the right now it's the exact same system. It's just, there's a lot of noise happening. So I thought I'd try kind of reducing that noise by having a single like indicator per mechanical device. And then you can hover over it and see the device nodes as well as the device nodes that device is connected to. So here we have this lever. It's connected to this conveyor belt. So whenever we hover over this, we see that. And we also see this red line here, which is very small, I know. That is showing that connection. And then if we move away from it, it like deactivates if we hover over something else. So you can see this one is not connected. So if we click this, we start drawing this line here, and then we can hover over something else, and you can see that it will let us click on that and connect it. And now whenever we hover over this, we see both of them. So this is like, I would say I don't know, like, would we want this to show whenever we hover over this one? Should we show the connection for this other one? I don't know, maybe not. Like, that's something that I think we're gonna have to play around with and see what works best, because sometimes you want to see connections and sometimes you don't. We'll see. So we set up that connection. So now if we exit that mechanical mode just by pressing M again, we can drop that pudding down, turn that on, and there it goes. And if we want, we can go into here. If we right click, we delete all of the connections for that node. So we can now see it's gone. And that means that if we drop another pudding here, it'll go and, oh wait. Oh, that's actually interesting. I forgot. I need to like send a signal. Did not test this. We have to like send another signal telling it to like disconnect or something. So we can see that it's just continues to work. Okay, so this is okay. Well, that's embarrassing. Okay, well, obviously we need a little bit more work here. That's good to know. But overall, I would say that things are progressing well. Really, all the code for this that I've been working on is displaying this information where you can like mouse over things and click on them and connect them. So it's all in here in this interaction. And I don't know if it's that interesting to go over. We just kind of like expand the nodes, for whatever's been selected, or focus is what I call whenever you initially hover over it. If you click on it, it becomes selected, and that makes it so it stays open always. And then if you mouse over something else, that is the focus thing, while you still have the first one that you selected or clicked on is selected. And yeah, so that's how you can, or how that all works. I think that's going to be it for today. We're going to keep working on the mechanical system some more, fixing up this little issue we have here, and then adding in some power. And so that's what we'll be doing next time. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you then.